Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Hope you are all well and enjoying your life. I welcome you all to the channel of Learn with MW. Viewers, don't go anywhere. In this video, we will discussing some amazing stuff about personal pronoun. But I want to give you a short recall. In the previous video, we have discussed about for pronoun. We define pronoun from the meaning of for, and then we also give some classy reason and some grammatical reason that why pronoun is used instead of the noun. So if you missed that video, go to the channel and watch that video. And then in this video, now we will discussing some amazing stuff about personal pronoun. That what is personal pronoun? So remember that personal pronoun, as the name indicate, they are basically related to persons. Personal pronoun are basically related to person, and we have learned that pronoun are basically used instead of the noun. So personal pronoun are those which are basically related to persons. So for example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they are all personal pronoun. Why they are called personal pronoun? Because they are related to person or they are used instead of a person. Now remember that grammarian have also given the classification of the personal pronoun. So we will discuss in this video the classification or the types of personal pronoun. So basically there are three types of personal pronoun: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. In this video, we will discuss all these type of personal pronoun in a very comprehensive and conceptual way. So let's begin. Now we will discussing the first type of personal pronoun, which is first personal pronoun. First personal pronoun. So what is first person pronoun? So those person who says their words its own. Those person who says their words its own, they are called first personal pronoun, or we can also simply say the person speaking, or I can also give you a more justification there, the speaker. The person speaking is basically called speaker. So the one who says their words its own is basically called first personal pronoun. So the one who says their words its own is basically called a speaker, and speaker is basically first personal pronoun. In English grammar, there are basically two first personal pronoun. One is I and we. So these two, I and we, are basically first personal pronoun. So what are personal pronoun? Those which the person who says their words its own fall in the category of first personal pronoun, or the speaker is basically called first personal pronoun. I and we are basically called first personal pronoun in the English grammar. Now we will discussing what is second personal pronoun. Now we will discussing about second personal pronoun. That what is second personal pronoun? So let's begin. So what is second personal pronoun? So the pronoun which listen. The person which listen is said to be second personal pronoun, or the more simple definition is the pronoun which denote the person spoken to. Which denote the person spoken to. So the spoken to is basically listener. So the pronoun which denote the spoken to or the person spoken to or the listener is basically called second personal pronoun. Remember that in English grammar there is only single second personal pronoun, which is you. You is basically second personal pronoun. So what is second personal pronoun? We have learned those person which listen, or the pronoun which denote the person spoken to or the listener is basically called second personal pronoun, and you in the English grammar is the only second personal pronoun. So now we will discussing about third personal pronoun. That what is third personal pronoun? So remember that those person about which we talk, Those person about which we talk basically fall in the category of third personal pronoun, or the pronoun which denote the person spoken of. So the spoken of basically mean about which we talk, about which we talk. So in English grammar, he, she, it, they are basically fall in the category of third personal pronoun. So we have learned about third personal pronoun, the pronoun which denote the person which we talk about basically fall in the category of third personal pronoun, or the pronoun which denote the person spoken of. Spoken of mean about which we talk, basically fall in the category of third personal pronoun. He, she, it and they are basically third personal pronoun in the English grammar. So viewers, up till now in this video we have discussed first personal pronoun, second personal pronoun and third personal pronoun. Now we will discussing the cases of personal pronoun in a very grammatical way. Now we will discussing about the cases of personal pronoun. We will discussing about the first case of the personal pronoun, which is nominative case or subjective case. Now we will defining that what is nominative case or what is subjective case. So remember that when personal pronoun are used as a subject, when personal pronoun are used as a subject, then it is basically called nominative case. It is also called as subjective case. So when personal pronoun are used as a subject, it falls in the category of nominative case, or we also call it subjective case. So remember that. I, we, I and we, first personal pronoun, you, second personal pronoun, he, she, it, they, third personal pronoun. All of these fall in the category of nominative case or subjective case because they are used, these pronoun or personal pronoun are used as a subject. That's why they fall in the category of nominative case or subjective case. Now we will discussing about the second case of personal pronoun, which is accusative case or objective case. Now we will discussing about the second case of personal pronoun, which is accusative case, or we also call it objective case. So now what is objective case or what is accusative case? We will discuss. So now when personal pronoun are used as object, then it is called objective case or accusative case. Again, when personal pronoun are used as object, then they are basically called accusative case or objective case. Now we will discuss it. For example, we have learned in the first case of the personal pronoun that when personal pronoun are used as subject, then we call it nominative case or subjective case. So remember that we have discussed that I and we, which was personal pronoun, use second personal pronoun, they, he, she, it, they are basically called third personal pronoun. So I, we, you, they, he, she, it basically fall in the category of nominative case or subjective case because these personal pronouns are used as subjective. Now, so I objective case is me. We objective case is us. You objective case is similar to it nominative case, which is you. They objective case is them. He objective case is him, and the she objective case is her, and it objective and nominative case are same, it. So now which I mark or circle, me, us, you, them, him, her, it, they are basically called accusative. They fall in the category of accusative case or objective case because these type of the personal pronoun are used as object. That's why they fall in the category of accusative case or objective case. So we have learned that those personal pronouns which are used as object basically fall in the category of objective case or accusative case. Me, us, you, them, here, she, it, they are basically fall in the category of subjective, accusative case or objective case. Now we will discussing the third case of personal pronoun as well. We will discussing about the third case of personal pronoun, which is possessive or genitive case. So now what is possessive case or what is genitive case? We will discuss. So now when the personal pronoun are used to show ownership or used to show position, is said to be or fall in the category of possessive case or genitive case. So now remember that I and we are basically first personal pronoun. You is second personal pronoun. He, she, it, they are basically called third personal pronoun. So now remember that I possessive case is mine. We possessive case is ours. You possessive case is yours. They possessive case is theirs. And he possessive case is his. She possessive case is her. And it possessive case is its. So the word that I mark, the pronoun that I mark, mine, ours, yours, their, his, her, its, they fall in the category of possessive case or genitive case because they basically show possession or ownership. So we have discussed subjective or nominative case, then we discuss objective or accusative case, and now we discuss possessive or genitive case. Now we will discussing through examples that how to find these cases of personal pronoun in a sentence. Now through these example we will learn how to find subjective, how to find accusative, and how to find possessive case of personal pronoun in a sentence. So let's begin. So now remember that he helps me. So he here basically subject. Why? As I mentioned earlier in my other videos that subject basically answer the question who and what. So you question who helps? Who helps? So the answer is he helps. So he basically here it is subject, and he is also a personal pronoun. So that's why he here is in subjective case or in nominative case. Now look at this example again. He helps whom? Now as mentioned earlier that whom basically answer the question object. He helps whom? So the answer is he helps me. So now me is basically object in this sentence, and me is also a personal pronoun. So me here it is in objective case or in accusative case. So now through this single example, I hope you will learn that how to find subjective case or how to find objective or accusative case in a sentence of personal pronouns. So now look at this example. They give. Who gave? So the answer is they. This example is basically subject because it answers the question who. And they is also a personal pronoun. So basically they in this example is subjective case or in nominative case. So now they give a pin to whom? So the answer is her. Her is basically personal pronoun, and in this example her is also is acting as an object. So basically her is in objective case or in accusative case. So now look at this example. This book is mine. So here mine basically show possession. So that personal pronoun that basically show possession is, we call it possessive case or genitive case. So mine in this example is, mine is basically personal pronoun and it show possession. So in this sentence mine is basically in possessive case or in genitive case. Again, that is yours. So yours is also a personal pronoun and show position in this sentence. So that's why it is also in possessive case or in genitive case. So now look at this example, the last one. This house is theirs. So now theirs also is basically a personal pronoun, and in this sentence theirs basically show position. This house is theirs. So basically theirs is a personal pronoun and it show position. So this is also in this sentence in possessive case or in genitive case. So viewers, hope you will understand that how to find subjective case or nominative case, how to find objective case or accusative case, or how to find possessive or genitive case in a sentence. Hope you guys understand after watching this video. In this video we have discussed in a very conceptual way about personal pronoun. And then we discuss the types of personal pronoun, which was first personal pronoun, second personal pronoun, and third personal pronoun. And then we discuss the cases of personal pronoun. We discuss subjective, nominative, and then we discuss accusative or objective case, and at the last we discuss possessive and genitive case. And then we discuss through example that how to find all of these cases of personal pronoun in a sentence. So viewers, if you like this video, share this video with your friends, like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment. Thank you very much.